Wait, it's coming. Yeah, we are live.
Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to another live discussion with us. It's been a few days since I went live and did this discussion with my team. My team has been doing a few discussions on their pages, I think. But yeah, so welcome back again. So we are going to talk about monetization versus digital business, like our business versus what is monetization. So people want to learn how we earn in this business, right? So the one thing that we want to clear is that we don't earn like we don't wait for Mark Zuckerberg to pay us, right? So we are not earning from Facebook, we are earning through Facebook, meaning we run ads and we earn through the ads which we run on Facebook, but we can do this business even without Facebook. That's the thing that we want to clear in this chat today. So, Deepa, do you want to start? Like, can you tell us what is monetization versus what is our digital business? What are your points about it, Deepa?
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Kavya, for arranging the live discussion. Thank you, everyone, for watching us also with live or replay. Um, you know that this is an interesting topic, and we rarely think about talking on this perspective. Um, we are seeing many people nowadays. Facebook is offering a like a professional mode in our profile so that we can earn from our content. So the Facebook perspective, Facebook wants most of the people to come on this platform and stay there, okay, and create more content so that most of the people, most of our friends and friend list, everyone should interact with us through our content. And those who are creating like that contents, Facebook will pay them. So our pays will be like based on the views and the watch time and the eligibility to get ads in between the reels or the videos that we share. So, as the Facebook came with this idea of professional mode, I saw that many of my friend list people, they are coming up with many interesting content, and there we were able to see many people with their creative writings. They are interacting with their audiences. So, but still, what I observed that the people in the beginning, they were creating a lot of content. Some people, they just wanted to make content, but these contents are not really making any value. Not They are not giving any value. Just for sake of creating a content, they are creating content, and finally, after a few months or like that, from the same person who consistently creating content, I was able to watch their discussion that I'm creating content, but Sukarbai is not, that generous. No matter how hard I create content, they are paying me very less amount. It is less than $1. Last month I got $3, but this month I got $1 only for 1 month, and I am a silent, viewer for all my this kind of conversation. So what I observed that then I then I realize in my business I'm also creating content, but here my content is targeted. It provides a value. The conversation starting for most of the people, those who are creating content, they will think about what should I post, what will I create, and they will create a content out of it and they will post in the Facebook, for example, or a YouTube. That's it ends there. But related to my business, what I feel that after I create a content, that is not ending there. That is a beginning. What The beginning of what? That's the beginning of somebody sees my post about, for example, I recently um, resigned from my job. After I started my business, I did a post on that, but instead of just ending it there, it just created a lot of conversation in my Facebook page and the Facebook profile, that many people ask me, how did you done that, Deepa? So that means in our business, each content is targeting people who are struggling, who are looking for a change, who are, who want to invest themselves. So instead of ending there, we are starting there. Those people who are doing like digital business, each content is a start, that we are starting a system there. Like we don't care 10,000 views of nothing, no passive viewers. We don't want, we are not interested in that passive viewers. But out of these 10,000 if one person decide to change his life or decided to try our business system, and they will, in the behind there is conversation going on, and each of my post after that I'm getting, if you want I can, it is all having digital proof, because I can show you my messenger chats with strangers, people who are communicating with Deepa. I happen to see your post, and they are directly communicating with my business WhatsApp, and they are asking, how did you do that? Can you please share me your business idea? So that's it. So that is, instead of 10,000 passive viewers and doing nothing, we are offering a value. The people who are doing the digital business like us, we are offering a value. And that value means we are pre educating them. We are giving them the education about our business, and we are empowering them. And finally, when they take a decision, we are not only creating one income stream from that decision maker or a business partner, we are getting from there, our, we are going backwards, through that person. We are creating multiple system, and we are getting more and more and more an income for a lifetime. So that is the difference of creating content for the sake of making content, and targeted contents, and that is what we are doing in our business. That's all, Kovia. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepa. So yeah, like she said, like Deepa said now, like there are people creating content and waiting for the views and earning from the views. And she said like $3 per month. We make multiple times of that, right? Like it is like three hundred times or more than that. Is it is just a very small amount that when we look at what we are earning from this business. This whatever we earn, there is also monetization happening on our pages. Like we are also so the main thing here is you need followers to start to be eligible to earn from Facebook, right? So for Facebook to pay you, you first have to be eligible to earn, right? So you need to be eligible, and for that you need to have certain followers. First thing is that, so unless you reach that many followers, you'll not be able to earn. You'll not be even eligible to earn, right? That's one. And like she said, they are creating content but that might not have any value. But even when we are creating content, we are targeting people, but we don't wait for that content to pay us, right? So we are not waiting for that content, the number of views on that content, or the number of people who have liked that content to pay us, right? That's the main difference here. We are not waiting for Facebook to pay us. We are putting our ads out there, and people who see the post, we can actually, they'll see the post, they'll go to the website, and that's how it works. So we just use Facebook as one of the medium to run our ads or to run our business. It's not that we are earning from Facebook. That's the main thing, right? So yeah, thank you, Deepa. And Praveen, what about you, Praveen? Like, do you have any points to
Yeah,
add?
sure. Hello, everyone. So, myself, Praveen. I'm from US. So, first thing that we want to make it very clear that we are not content creators, we are not influencers, or we are not bloggers, where we ask you to like, comment, subscribe, or join our membership, those kind of things, right? So, we are totally different. We are entrepreneurs. So, if you have two options, the option one, I'm an engineer by full time and I'm an influencer. And the option two is I'm an engineer by full time, but I'm an entrepreneur who run a side hustle of a business. So which one sounds better to you? So smart people will pick up the second option. So that's what we all did here. So we are not behind Facebook to monetize a page, and then we are not dependent on them to pay us for the content we post in the social media. Of course, we leverage social media, but we have a different purpose for leveraging it. So for example, we leverage them to market our business. So we leverage social media to connect with you. because we want to build trust with you, because we are human on this side, and we are not robots, or we are not using AI. So we want to build the trust with you so that you can trust us on what we are offering to you. So that's our main intention. Another thing is, we share our lifestyle, we share about our business, we share about our achievements and wins in this digital business, so that we sound very real, and then we want to share where we are in the past, and then how this digital business has changed our life, so that we can help you out, because you might be in our shoes now, and through this digital business, how we it transformed our life, it could transform your life too. So that's a difference between those content creators and us, focusing on the digital business. And in our digital business, yes, we do teach about social media, but we don't teach about the hacks on how to make income in 5 minutes by using Canva. But we teach how to save time in using Canva to make the post, so that you have more time for yourself and for your family. We look into the life of a content creator, if they are doing it as a side hustle or a part time. So 9 to 5 job, and after that they have to scratch their head for a content. They need to keep up to date on the trends going on, and then they need to do a lot of edits to make the video more attractive. But we don't do that, right? So we do our we don't worry about the because we want to present how we are. So we are running this business as part of our lifestyle, and that's what we present in the social media. And with regard to content creators, if you see, they have to be different to others. So they cannot compete, they cannot post the same thing what other content creators are doing, or else they won't get monetized, or they won't get much views if they are just duplicating. But in our business, so we duplicate, but in our own perspective. We are talking about the same topic, but we are giving our own perspective. The topic is same, but the content we are giving is totally different. So that's a advantage of digital business owners. Another thing is, we are not claiming that influencers or monetization through social media is bad, but what we are claiming is we are totally different. So we are just using it as a tool, or part of our business, rather than fully depending on it for the income. So if you, as I mentioned in the beginning, so we are not content creators, and if you're looking at us in that perspective, I want to change that perspective, and then we want you to look us as a digital business owners, and then if you want to see the bigger picture, yeah, come and talk to us, and then we can show you how we are different in terms of different from the content creators. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, Praveen. Yeah, like Praveen said, we are not influencers or bloggers. We are entrepreneurs. We have our own business, and we are just using Facebook as one of our tools to run our ads and to reach people. So in our business, because it is digital, you are not restricted to only your location, your local area. You can be digital, you can run your ads on different platforms and reach people. Though you're living in US, India, anywhere you want, you are, you can run your ads on any other part of the world. And that's for that we use Facebook, right? And it's just a tool for us, and it's not that we are waiting for Facebook to pay us. Okay, thank you, Praveen. Okay, Dr. Nandini, what is your view on it?
Hi, good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Nandini, obstetrician, gynecologist, and online business mentor. Such wonderful talk from all of you. So, yes, just a year back, I wouldn't have had any idea about this page monetization. And this is a steep and beautiful learning curve that we have molded ourselves to be entrepreneurs and people who are not influencers, but people who impact many lives positively from different parts of the world. So if still today we don't realize the power of the social media, and that can come in any names, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Yahoo, not Yahoo, YouTube, and Google. If we don't realize the power of these, when will we? This is such a wonderful way to reach everybody. Today, globally, Facebook sort of is being used by over 3 billion people. Doesn't that feel crazy? And amongst those, just today I was just checking out, about 200 million people are doing content creation. What a huge pressure. And amidst them, not even 5% of them manage to reach the influencer stage. They are doing content creation like crazy and trying to get to that brand stage where things will go viral. But for us, we don't chase virality. You will see on our pages, we are so happy, so complacent with even 100 or 10 views or no comments at all. Because when you do a serious business, people we are looking forward to and connecting on a daily basis, they are serious people. They don't really comment often on a public forum. They will silently observe and connect with you in private. So our conversations happen behind the value content that you see. So it's absolutely all right, no pressure on you as well to comment on our posts. That's perfectly okay. Now, today, social media, three types of people are using it. The first group are getting thinner by the day. That is when social media came into being. Most of us were using it for social connection, putting out places where we go, what we eat, and that is still part of it. But the whole idea behind social connection only is getting thinner by the day. Okay. The other type of people are the growing number of content creators, and there's so much pressure because you have to rely on the views and engagement, as we said. And I always wanted to know as to how much does it equate to their income. And just recently, a couple of months back, I came across a reel which was showing the insides of the Meta Manager. And this showed one of the person who had 11,000 views, which is huge for many. 1,000 views is not easy unless you already have a previous name and a celebrity status. You take time. 11,000 views and is equal to 1.6 USD. I repeat, not even $2. I'm not going to diminish the value of any dollar. Every pence matters, and a lot of zeros after that makes it a whole different game. But with all due respect, that is something we can't be bothered about. We coming from here on this panel, we are engineers and from the healthcare sector, and we cannot be bothered about one or two or even few hundreds of USD. So it has to be in a big number to get our time, attention, and energy. And that is all we are doing. The social media is just a gateway to a very powerful business model that we run. You need to come and explore it. Never in this 1 year time, I have called up anybody. If you are interested and you see the information and you have targeted questions, I am there on phone to answer. Otherwise, this doesn't need any convincing. If you are in the lookout of a side hustle to increase your ethical income, we are there to help you. And that actually clusters the content creation and us as a separate group of people who are creating huge impact and ripple effect around the world every single day. So with that, I'll take my leave today. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandini. So it was so many points there. The main thing I noticed at the end when she said like the time and effort, it's not that like, again, we are not diminishing any, we are not saying that $1 or $100 is less, but the effort that you put to earn the same money, right? To earn that $2 dollars or $100 from your views or from your content, the same effort if you put in our business, you can earn in thousands. Right. And when you have seen that potential, you will not go and do something which takes more effort from you. Right. And we all are looking for that. We want to put less effort, less time, and earn more so that we can spend more time with our children, with our family, travel, live life. Right. Why would you put the same effort or more effort to earn less? Right. So that's what we have found and we have learned. And that's why we use Facebook as one of the tools and not wait for it to pay. Right. And a lot of things Nandini said also, right? We don't wait for comments. If you go and look at her post, we don't even care about how many comments or how many likes we have got. We don't care. We just post it for information, for people who are actually looking for something to earn from online. We are giving them information. We don't care if we go. It's not that we don't care. It's not that it's not in our thought. Right? We don't wait for, or we don't go back into a page and say how many likes have I got, will I earn from this post or not? No, it's just for people to give them the information is what I do. Yeah.
It's
Thank you,
like
Nandini.
we are not that much worried that under our
Yeah,
post
worried.
there
Yes.
is no views or no comments. We are not discussing each other like, okay, I will support your post and please support mine also, and let's
Correct.
make it the ripple like that. That kind
Yeah.
of conversation you people will not ever find in any of mine or Kavya or Praveen's or other Kavya and Dr. Nandini's page.
Yeah, I think worried, like we don't get worried is the word, right? It's not about we don't care. We care about what kind of information we are giving. If you think that if you need more information or if you need some more details or different kind of detail, we care about what kind of content we are posting. But we don't keep that worry of like, will this content reach people and will this content give us money, right? That's the main thing. Okay, thank you, Dr. Nandini, for all the points. Okay, Kavya, what is your view on this, Kavya?
Hey, hi everyone. So I think you all have already covered up the point. So I'll just try to summarize it now. So I am Kavya from India. I'm a software engineer by profession, and I'm also doing this business alongside my job. So I am like trying to help people who are already into the job, who are already in the job, and they're looking for a side income. So okay, yeah. So as you said, most people are actually thinking that we are earning money from Facebook, but the truth is, yes, we are earning money through Facebook, as Kavya said. The truth is, we don't earn money from Facebook. We are earning through Facebook. So that's the point. If posting content alone will make people rich, then every single content creator would be a millionaire now by now, right? So like the honesty that we are consistently we are posting posts, reels, or whatever every day to educate people, not to get reach or followers. We want to educate people who are actually struggling, who are actually looking for some a side hustle. So we will educate them. We have to build a trust with them, because people who know us, they'll reach us easily, but then people who don't know us, they have to know, like they will see the real, whether we are real or no, they want to know, right? So that's the reason we post and we share the contents. We talk about our lifestyles, we show our lifestyles, because it should look real for the people. They then only you all will feel better to approach us. So that's the reason we will be posting, not for the views, not for the not to earn money, not to get the likes. So we are really not bothered about the likes or followers. I think this business will give you the
Okay.
better income than the content, what the income the face you for the contents or posts that you create. So in creation, if you can spend the same efforts on the business, on this business, I think a new door will be open for you. You will thank yourself later. So that's all I want to say. And
Awesome.
uh,
Thank you, Kavya. Yeah, I think there was a delay, kind of thing on Kavya's side, but yeah, a lot of points that she said, right? Like we already mentioned, we are putting content out there or posting videos or reels or anything that we are doing on our page is to educate people about this opportunity. It's not to earn from those posts, right? So people should understand, like when they want to start this business, they think that okay, I have to do a lot of videos, I have to have a lot of followers on my page, only then I'll earn. You don't have to, right? You don't have to be influencers, you don't have to do videos every day talking to people and like say like marketing something, advertising some other things, all those things. No, you don't have to do this, right? Like you promote some other product and they pay you something. It's not like that. This is not about being an influencer. You don't have to apply cream like you there are many influencers who, if you look at them, they would have tried, like they would have advertised for like 3 or 4 kind of creams. Like I was like, you would just marketed something else recently. So are you using this also, is what we think. So it can be fake sometimes because they want to earn. Like it's not this even they are a comedian on Instagram, they'll promote some other product because they can't earn from the content they're creating, right? They have to promote some products and that brand will pay them for whatever they have promoted. So for that they have to wait. for us, it's not that. So again, to summarize, we try to use Facebook just as a tool to run our ads, to reach people. We can do this business even without Facebook. We can do this business on YouTube, TikTok, anywhere, Instagram, any place, LinkedIn, right? So we give you training on how to do that. So you don't have to be influencers or bloggers. You just have to use these social media sites, and you just try to learn how to market online. You reach different people through ads, and for that, you don't have to wait for Facebook. Okay, so
We can
the
do
main
faceless too. Sorry.
yes,
We
Prabhu.
can do faceless too.
Yeah, we can do faceless too. Yes. So if you don't want to show your face, for sure you can do it without showing your face. There are different training we provide you for faceless marketing also. So there are many people who don't want to put themselves on social media yet, right? So you come in, you learn how to do faceless marketing, but we'll also teach you how to do face with your marketing with your face. How you can actually become more confident. Once you start, you will surely become more confident, but you can surely start with faceless marketing. Yes, Deepa.
Like, sorry, Kavya, to interrupt. I just want to add 2-3 points from my side also. Like, again, for the people who are watching us, we are not those kind of people who post and hope for the views and wait, and then disappointment and that roller coaster things. Or we are not that kind of people who the algorithm is not controlling us. We are not bothered about the algorithm of any social media. This social media is just a vehicle for our journey. And the other end, we are creating meaningful network of people, because we are offering the solution of something that you are worried about, because we were in that same shoes before. And this business is offering our business is offering systems and tools, and through that our payment or our earnings are not once happening, it is ongoing. It's like a chain reaction, because through the post that we put, one person sees there, one decision is the one who changing something, not the view alone. That one decision, it creates the ripple of adding one more person into our business network, because we help that person to solve his problems. Yeah, we are not only just posting content and pray for the views. That's
Yeah.
it. Thanks.
And yeah. Yes, Nandini. So many
Sorry.
points we have on
Just
this.
one more thing is we are on this platform is trying to quit, actually on the long run, to quit the 9 to 5 whole rant. So we cannot again quit the conventional 9 to 5 and again come into another job on Facebook where we have to be physically present to be paid by Facebook. We are in a stress less world where we put in the systems in place. It is not a job we are doing, and then the automation, our darling baby, is doing the work for us. So yes, that's all I wanted to say. We are trying to escape the stress.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. And also, one of the points that Dr. Nandini said before was that there is a lot of competition for content creators out there. So there are many people who come in and they think running ads on our platform, right? They think how many people are doing this already. But do you know how many people are actually doing content creation out there and competing with each other? So you need to be a lot unique from a lot of people out there. So what is your actual talent? If you're really good at that, and even if you're really good at that, it's not that you post one content and you become rich. No, you have to consistently post every day until you become like a kind of a celebrity where you have a lot of followers. Only then you will start making some money. And once if Mark Zuckerberg decides, no, I'll not pay for content creators, that's all. Your whatever you've built is gone, right? So that's not us, is what we want to say. And we are impacting. We are not influencers. Another thing that Dr. Nandini said was we impact lives, right? We are not being influencers here, like try this. No, we have tried this. We are already experiencing the results out of it, and we are just helping people know there is some kind of opportunity like this, right? We are just showing that there is a kind of opportunity which you can actually come out of your traditional 9 to 5 jobs, which can help you come out of it. It's not that, okay, you join today and tomorrow you will not be working at your job, you can become rich. No, it can help you. If you have a goal of like 1 to 2 years from now, you don't want to continue doing your job, you want to quit and you want to be financially independent, you can actually do that using this platform, right? And that's what we say, that's the passive income part of it. So yeah, we have a lot of things to say, but I think it's almost 30 minutes since we started. So yeah, I hope we gave some idea about the business versus the monetization. If you have more questions, always feel free to connect any of us here. We'll be happy to help you. We want people to know that there is a very good opportunity like this. Don't think that working hard is the only solution to make money, where you're just putting your time out there, you're sacrificing your family time to make money, but you don't have time for your family. That's not the situation you should be in. You deserve better, and you just have to look for different opportunities, and you have to take chances on yourself, right? And if you're ready to take chance on yourself, you're welcome to welcome into our team, and we'll be happy to help you see that success in your life. Okay, thank you everyone for joining today. Thank you Deepa, Praveen, Nandini, Kavya for being here. Yeah, we'll meet again soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.